Start.
Hi, I am Madesh's mother. Madesh has completed his Mathello full level and he has been graduated this year. And last year he has won in national competition, and most of the trophies has been won by the JTCC team. I can say very proudly that the Gilbert's effort and his team members' effort has proved last year's national competition, and it is still being continuing this year also. This year, my children Saikatika and Madesh has won in Olympiad. She has won in Saikatika won as first runner-up, and Madesh has won as super champion. And in international competition which was conducted this year, Madesh has won the first place in listening and visual both. That is in international level. And again, the Olympiad was conducted last week, and that also Saikatika has won the championship, and Madesh has won the first place in his level. So the continuous effort which is given from the JTCC team and the Mathello members are still it is a still continuous effort. This proves that our kids has been excelling well in this, and I can proudly say as a parent of Mathello team that this has been improving my kids' mental ability. He's concentrating more on maths, and both of them are doing with full concentration, and their concentration ability has been increased. This I can see in their school syllabus, and even in school curriculum, and in test papers and everything we can see as a parent. So I now feel a proud parent of JTCC team and of both my kids Madesh and Saikatika. Thank you.